Air-cooled pulse, laser cleaning machine series. Integrated air-cooled structure. Powerful performance. Maintenance-free. Volume is only 0.15 cubic meter. Light and energy saving. A C110 220 volt. Wide range of voltage. Double-wobble intelligent cleaning head. 8 light modes. 190 millimeter ultra-wide scanning range. 6 cleaning presets with one-click selection. Cleaning efficiency is about 4 times that of 200-watt model. 40 Celsius high temperature, 8 hours continuous test. No power attenuation. It can quickly and accurately remove rust, oil, paint, coating, etc. on the surface of workpieces. No damage to the substrate. Widely used in many fields such as ships, automobile maintenance, rubber molds, etc.